Hey there, fellow Fortnite enthusiasts. Tired of those infuriating lag spikes and FPS drops ruining your victory royale? Fret not. Today I've got your back, with some nifty solutions to tackle these issues and optimize your potato for peak performance. Without further ado, let's jump right into this. Method 1. Lower in-game graphics quality. To kick things off, fire up Fortnite on your computer, click on your profile icon, then hit the settings icon. Navigate to settings, and here's where the magic begins. Navigate to settings. Lower your resolution a bit. Turn off VSync. Adjust the rendering mode to performance. Scroll down to graphics quality. Pick either low or medium or quality presets. In advanced graphics quality, turn off all those options. Apply the changes and restart the game. Once it's up again, revisit settings, switch to the game tab, and set your matchmaking region to a lower ping option. Click apply and voila. Say goodbye to those annoying FPS drops. Method 2. Change your computer's power mode. Open settings, click on system, then power. Choose best performance from the drop-down menu. Witness Fortnite running faster and smoother. Method 3. Switch Fortnite to high performance mode. Open settings and click on system, then display. Scroll down and hit graphic. Click browse, head to the Fortnite installation folder, likely in the C drive, program files, Epic Games, Fortnite game, binary, and then Win64. Find Fortnite client Win64 shipping. Select Fortnite, click options. Opt for high performance, save the changes. Allow smoother gameplay with reduced FPS drops and lags. Method 4. Shut down unused apps. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. End task on unused apps. Launch Fortnite and revel in the newfound smoothness, free from FPS drops and lags. And there you have it. That's the lowdown of how to get rid of FPS drops and lags in Fortnite on your computer. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.